Hi, in this short video, we're going to take a look at manually formatting text in a Python console application. Here we have a list, okay? We're defining a list, MLP data, name, age, ability, empower, okay? And this first row here, this would be like our values, right? Our column names. And then these will be our actual records of data, the 6 MLP main characters, okay? And for each of those attributes, we'll have a name, an age, an ability, and an empower. All right. And then for a separator, this is kind of a cool shorthand way of, let's say I just wanted 80 dashes, a line, a horizontal line to separate records or rows or something in my console output. Well, I could just multiply that character by whatever amount. So if I wanted a line that's 80 dashes long, I could do this, and that could be my separator between rows. It's my kitten Jack meowing in the background. All right, so look, we have a for loop here, and this is a list, it's an iterable. We're going to go through and we're going to use range and length. Remember the default range starts at 0, so the very first element in our list in our array, and then length returns the number of elements to the very last element in our array. And we're going to say, look, if I equals 0, separator, all right? We're going to print the separator, right? That's just our 80 dashes, horizontal dashes. And here we're going to format our columns. Look how we're going to do it. So from the left 20 characters, and then again from the left 7 characters, and then again from the left 22 characters, and then again from the left 7 characters. So counting from the previous column to the next column is how we're formatting, all in curly braces here. And look how we specify the column width, right? 27, 22, 7, and then look how we pass this in. So 0, 1, 2, and 3, right? Else, how do we do this? Else, again, 27, 22, and 7, 0, 1, 2, and 3, okay? So let's run this method here. Let's run this method. Clear the console down here. Get rid of this so it's less confusing. Hit F5. Okay. See how our data is formatted column by column by column? And see how we pass the argumentation in with these curly braces here, and then for each, we're defining from the left, moving this way, from the left and moving to the right, the number of characters we defined in that column, okay? And then this is this has to be a bit different. We print the separator because we want to separate the value names are the field names of our columns from the actual records or rows. So the first time through when I is 0, we had the separator. But then from that point on, when I is no longer 0, up until the very last element in our list, right, we're just going to display row after row after row of data, but it'll be formatted in the same fashion. And so that lines those columns up. And then this is the end result. Does that make sense? I hope so. Good. All right, very well.